Null safety prevents crashes. Let's write code that handles null properly. We declared string question mark nickname. The question mark means this can be null. Right now nickname has no value. It is null. We print nickname question mark guest. This operator means if nickname is null, use guest instead. So it prints guest. Then we assign procoder to nickname. Now it is not null. Printing again shows procoder because the value exists. Nickname question mark dot length uses safe call. If nickname were null, it would return null instead of crashing. Since we assigned a value, it prints the length. Never use exclamation mark unless you are absolutely sure the value is not null. In Flutter apps, API responses and user input are often nullable. Always handle the null case with question mark or if checks. Practice by creating a string question mark email variable. Print a welcome message using null coalescing to show unknown if email is null. Null safety is your friend. It forces you to think about empty cases before they become crashes.